What's up, guys? Let me talk to you real quick about domain names, all right? Because we know it's one of the easiest ways to make money. It's one of the easiest ways to get started making money. Hey, as I run with the doggy, that's Miles right there. And I've been teaching it for 10 years. Everybody comes to me for the domaining advice, right? On YouTube, all that. And so you guys trust me when I talk about domains, right? So here's the thing. I'll jump straight to the point, okay? You know, tomorrow when we go on the webinar, for instance, sometimes people hit me up in the questions box. Hey, what do you think of my domain? Be like, dude, have you not watched the tutorial videos? That domain sucks. You're never going to be able to sell that. Other people will be like, coming in the Facebook group and they're like, yo, hey, I just started, Jamie. I bought a bunch of domains. I need to learn how to sell them. I haven't been able to sell any yet. I'm like, dude, where are they? Copy and paste, show us your portfolio. So there's those basic issues. You know, people, they aren't, you know, I would say the hardest part is finding them. Second hardest part is understanding that you gotta at least post them in front of all of us. There's 2,000 people in here, right? So here's the thing. We solved that problem, and me, Susie, and Daniel, we spent a few days hand-picking domains from all the recent drop lists and from prime domains. And we put them into combined them into an Excel file. It's 1,000 of them. And we're giving them to you guys. So go to gobigwithjamie.com, all right? Gobigwithjamie.com. Look at this guy right here.
Hey.
I gotta, look at that.
What up?
That's my drummer right there. Anyway, let me finish making this video real quick, and then we go into brunch, right? All right, so go to gobigwithjamie.com, guys, all right? And pick up this list. And the list is awesome. I have a video there. You're gonna see the video. Watch that video before you grab the list. And I go through some of the names and you'll see the quality. It's like we annihilated all of the bad stuff. So you're only left with really, really good stuff. And we did buy some of them ourselves, but there's so many of them. When there's 1,000 really good domains, you know we left a lot, most of them, for you guys. And the whole name of the game is that we're giving back to the community, we're giving back to you guys. And so let's see you guys flip some of these names and then spread the word. I was reading this incredible case study on this forum where this guy did insane numbers online. And his secret was he did referrals. He had not affiliate program, but straight up word of mouth referrals. It's like, I know that. That's my whole thing. And so that's what I want you guys to do, is spread the word about Badass Classic. It changed lives. All right. And this is a really, really good opportunity for you guys to make things happen for yourselves so that you have something to report to other people. But just remember that, you know, I don't have any scarcity on the page. There's not, you know, it's not like, you know, it's limited, because we're going to be watching the list and we're going to be seeing how many people get in and then how many people are buying. Because in my training video, I instruct everyone to email me and let me know the names that you got. And there's also a bump where we will do custom listings for you if you want. So that's the thing. I would get in before other people buy up all the domains. So go to gobigwithjamie.com, and I'm going to be sending it out to the list shortly as well while we're at brunch, and then I come back and I'm working on Video Slayer for you guys, finishing up Video Slayer, and then I'm going to be boosting and launching that out too. All right, so let me know how it works. If you have any questions, let me know. But me, Daniel, and Susie hope that you really like it. All right, gobigwithjamie.com. And then let me know what's up. Let me know what names you get. And I'll see you on the webinar tomorrow. All right.